Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni Attorney Livito Baligon, yung abogado ng Brave 18 Marines. Sinare niya dito ang official document, certification from Parañaque City Police Station. Tungkol ito sa pag-serve ng mga NBI CIDG agents ng warrant of arrest ni Senator Bato sa isang pinaghinalang hideout. Ito, certification. This is to certify that the following excerpt was based on the police blotter entry number, may number, and incident form of Don Bosco Police Station, Substation 1, of Parañaque City Police Station, located along Doña Soledad Extension, Barangay Don Bosco, Parañaque City, on May 28, 2026. At about 11:50 a.m. of May 28, 2026, Reporte Antonio Cabanban E. Abilia. Ito yung may-ari ng bahay na pinuntahan, hinalughog, sinerch ng mga NBI CIDG dahil baka nandun daw nagtatago si Bato. Antonio Cabanban E. Abilia, 65 years old. Uy, senior citizen. Male, single, residing at house number 204, Aldrin Street, Monwalk, Barangay Monwalk, Parañaque City, personally appeared to this office and requested to put on record the alleged serving of warrant of arrest to Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa by NBI operatives. Reporting a bird that on or about 6:15 a.m. of May 27, 2026, operatives of NBI and CIDG arrived his home located at house number 204, Barangay Monwalk, Parañaque City, to serve a warrant of arrest for Senator Bato de la Rosa, suspected to be hiding in their house. Further, reportee asked the team leader, a certain Attorney Gonzales of NBI, if they had a warrant to search our home. She replied it was not necessary because of fear for his family's safety. He allowed them to search their property. About 15 personnel entered to conduct the search. However, the result was negative. They left soon after. Reportee voluntarily affixed his signature below to attest to the truth of the foregoing fact. Signed, Antonio Cabanban E. Avila, Reportee. Nothing follows. Prepared by Police Chief Master Sergeant Richard Credo, Duty Desk Officer. Oh! Grabe ano? Ito, nag-react si Attorney Baligod. Hindi na daw talaga kailangan ng search warrant kung may warrant of arrest. Kaya lang, sabi niya dito, Section 2, Article 3 of Constitution, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures of whatever nature, and for any purpose shall be inviolable. Hindi pwedeng baliwalain. And no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. While it is true that a search warrant is not needed when serving a warrant of arrest, a modest intelligence work would have preserved the balance between the state's authority to enter the premises by virtue of a warrant of arrest and the right of the homeowners to be secure in their persons, house, papers, and effects. NBI, under Matibag, has deteriorated. Nakakahiya. Hmm. Nakakahiya na. I don't know pang ilang pag-serve na ito ng warrant. Ang nabalitaan ko lang is doon sa Angeles, Pampanga. Ayun, wala ring nakita. Then, may isa pang lugar, nakalimutan ko na. So, pangatlo na ito na na-monitor ko. Well, trabaho lang ito ng let us understand ang mga police, NBI agents, ginagawa lang nila ang katungkulan nila. Kaya lang ang nakakalungkot is itong kakulangan nila ng intelligence. Meron pa ngang isang tao na nagsumbong, alam niya ang kinakaroon ni Bato, hanggang mamaya nakahingi siya ng pera kay NBI director mismo. Ibig sabihin na-scam. Mabuti na lang nahuli nila yung tao na yun. So, ganyan na po. I don't know, I'm sorry to say this, parang desperado na. Natataranta ba, naprapraning na ang ating local enforcement agents sa pag-serve ng warrant of arrest. Bato. Okay? So, good luck. Ito, Parañaque City, Angeles. Bakit dito sa Mindanao? Wala pa akong nababalita ang pag-serve ng warrant of arrest kay Bato dito sa Mindanao. Bakit? Ayaw ba nilang maniwala na nandito siya sa Mindanao? Bakit doon lang sa Luzon? Bakit kaya? Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talaandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Manani ang matagaan og yero. So mag-atop na siya karon kay matagaan man namo siya gyero. Amos siyang gitagaan para kay maayuhan ang ilang balay nga guba na. So mo ni ang kahimtang nila diri sa abuhan. So gisapahan na lang og banig nga dili aron dili mutulo ang ulan. So kipangsapahan na lang gyud. So muna ang ilang kahimtang. So ginapuy-an pa ni nila. So kung ulan, so tulo na gid kaayo. So gituluan na gid kaayo kung muulan. So karon pila na ikatuig ining balay nga nung tuluan naman kaayo?
5.
So 5 years na kay anak.
Na.
So pila ka buki mong anak?
2.
So 2 imong anak.
Salamat sa Ginoo nakapatok net karon.
Oh, so makatop na gid mo karon kay natagaan mo gyero. So managid og ato. So karon managid na gyud og atop. So nindot na kaayo.
Salamat sa Ginoo sa nagsponsor.
Nga napulihan na inyong atop.
Napulihan ang mong atop.
Oh, so dako gyud yung pasalamat kay dili na mo tuluan. So salamat pod.